Castillejos Precious Nadine, our most energetic 2025. Dagimol Kezaya Temis, most behaved 2025. Danao Aaron Gabriel, Dancer of the Year and Most Improved of the Year. De La Rosa Elevea Jane, Most Energetic 2025. Dionisio Charmaine Isabel, Most Energetic 2025. Lake Sofia Isabella, Darling of the Crowd 2025 and Face of the Year SMDLC. Merida Princess Angeli, Most Faithful 2025. Movito Yeshua, our Color Guard of the Year 2025 and Miss Friendship 2025. Verono Queenie Rose. Samaniego Nikki Ho, our most obedient 2025.